it's Miss Alana working on math, trying to do speed math because they're about to close the building. I might not. Okay, I know I'm not going to get everything done here at school, so I'm going to have to figure out another way to record. I might have to record in the parking lot. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to record in the car. Okay, not while I'm driving. Or I might have to record at home, or maybe I might have to go to my office. Maybe I need to come to your house and record. Okay, I need to record. All right, moving on to the next one. We are working on this standard right here. Read it with me. Can you see it? I'll read it. It says, numbered operations in base 10. Perform operations. Okay, let me hold it still. Perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. MGSE 5 and BT 7. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. All right, we're going to solve the following word problem by adding, subtracting, multiplying, and or dividing. Draw a model to solve. Well, draw a model, solve, and check your work. Don't forget to use the cubes clues and write the solution in a complete sentence. Are you ready? Let me read the problem. Read it with me. It says, Miss Alana, that's me. Miss Alana is buying 4 pounds of potatoes and 2 pounds of onions. Potatoes cost $1.34 per pound, and onions cost 87 cents per pound. How much did she spend in all? Help me. So, to do that, we need to use our cubes clues. First thing you do is what? Circle the numbers. I'm going to circle the numbers. You circle the numbers. Say them to me. What do you see? I see the number 4. I see what? The number 2. I see the number $1.34. I see the number 87 cents. Did you find those numbers? I don't see anything else. I think we're done. Circle the numbers, so check that off. Make sure you're following the cubes clues, okay? The next step is to underline the key words. What keywords do you see? Underline the ones you find. I'll underline the ones I find. I see the 4 pounds of potatoes. So that's the unit that goes with the 4. The 2 pounds of onions, that goes with the 2. And let's see. I'm going to underline the potatoes cost $1.34 per pound. And the onions cost 87 cents per pound. Do you see that? All right, pause the tape if you need to follow with me. All right, and then how much did she spend in all? I'm going to underline in all since that is a key phrase in solving problems. And now we need to, okay, we're done with that step. Next step is the B step. Box the question. What's the question? How much did she spend in all? Oh, I already have my highlighter from the rounding practice. I'm going to use the highlighter to highlight the question. You circle, box, highlight the question. How much did she spend in all? Bam, I'm done with that step. The next step is to eliminate unnecessary information. Do you see anything there that is unnecessary? I think we need all that information, so we're done with that step. And the last step is to solve and check. Now, to solve and check, we need to first draw a model. That means draw a picture, draw a visual representation of the problem. So, I'm going to do 4 pounds of potatoes, right? You don't have to draw potatoes. I'm going to draw circles for that. And it costs $1.34. So I am going to draw 4 circles to represent each pound of potatoes. Then I will write $1.34 inside of each one. $1.34. Okay, I think this looks like an oval. Bam, just like that. All right, and what do we need to do? The onions cost 87 cents per pound, and how many pounds is that? 2. I think I'll do squares or maybe rectangles. Rectangles, how many rectangles? I'll do 2 with 87 cents each inside of it. Bam, just like that. And what do we have to do? Figure out how much all of it is. So lots of ways to do it. What way would you like to try? Tell me. Okay, I can't hear you through the screen. I can't hear you through the screen, but I can read your mind. I can read your mind. Raise your hand if you want to just add everything together. Okay, you can just add everything together. Raise your hand if you want to add these together, then add these together, and then add them all together. Or raise your hand if you want to multiply $1.34 times 4 and then multiply 87 cents 2 times and then add those totals together. Okay, so I see lots of different people wanting to solve it in different ways. Pick the way you want to solve it. I'm not going to solve it here because I have too many choices. And I want you to figure out which one you want to do and just go ahead and do that. All right? So let me go over and review the different strategies to solve this problem, the different ways and methods that you can figure out your answer. All right. Strategy number 1. Method number 1. Awesomeness number 1. You can write all these numbers vertically right there and add them all together. All right, got that? Strategy number 2. Awesomeness number 2. Method number 2. You can add these numbers together, the $1.34, 4 of those. Add 4 of those together. Then add 87 cents twice. And then add your total together. And then awesomeness number 3, that means strategy number 3, method number 3 is multiply $1.34 4 times, multiply 87 cents 2 times, and then add that together. All right, so all ways are awesome and amazing. Pick which one you want to do. Would you like to do strategy number 1, strategy number 2, or strategy number 3? Show me your work and let me know how you checked your answer, either by doing the opposite operation, or if you use the calculator, you can write, I use the calculator. And don't forget, write your solution in what kind of way? A complete sentence kind of way. An awesome 5th grade kind of sentence right there. Got it? All right. We're done with that one. We're moving on. I think they might kick me out the building soon, but we're just going to keep on working. Okay, no, we're not going to keep on working. If they're saying, Miss Alana, get out of the building, I will leave. Got to follow directions. So, time to record the next video. See you.